Hey everyone, Crash and Crash Customs, Lake Havasu, Arizona. Saturday, fun project for me. Something simple, something easy. Get a little creative. Use some leftover product. Let me show you what's gonna happen. Come on. a while ago I got another metal cabinet, and I think it was tan, and I decided to paint it white. Threw the 33 on it, metallic red. It's got some light fades. Obviously I pinstriped, you can see that, and this was a fun project too. Way less involved, but I don't know. I need moments in my life to be creative, and sometimes working on all these cool cars, it's not as creative as I would like it to be. So I throw my energies elsewhere when it comes to creativity. So you know, it's a creative release for me. It's got to happen. It clears my mind, and let's go spray some more. Painted and cleared. Pretty happy with everything. It is just a storage cabinet, but it was fun doing it. I liked laying it out. I like spraying the colors. The yellow is a yellow base with a yellow pearl, and then I mixed red in with the yellow to get the different shades of orange. The 33 is just a straight metallic purple. The white is the white, and the clear is the clear. But let me show you all of the things I did that the tech sheets for the products tell you not to do. Like I said, this was all just leftover stuff that I have, and I like using it up. I like testing the products, pushing it, see which way things can go or not, because it's way better pushing it on a, you know, storage cabinet than a vehicle or whatever. All right, the white base leftovers that I had. I mixed a bunch of whites together, all the same company whites, but I really didn't have enough reducer one way or the other to do the whole cabinet. So same company really, but I mixed a hot temp with a low temp and sprayed it, and nothing crazy happened. The yellow is the yellow base is PPG. The reducer is PPG, but when I sprayed it, this is way too hot of a reducer. Nothing happened. It came out great. When I got the red, this is the red to get the orange. Omni, red, PPG yellow. 2 different lines, same company. It mixed, it shot fine, no issues whatsoever. The purple, that was all legit. Like I was in the right temperature range, so there was no issues with that. And I topped it with Nason Clear. But I had a little bit of activator in each, and you know, mid temp, high temp. So I just 50-50'd this in with this, sprayed it, and I'm happy with it. It's gonna set up just fine. And if you're doing this kind of stuff and you're worried about mixing brands, like they say, don't mix. You know, you don't want to spray something with DuPont and then put PPG over it. Just let the reducer air out in the allotted time. If you're worried about it, wait a little bit longer, and nothing's gonna lift, nothing's gonna peel. Just go for it. I use 2 guns for this. The big areas, the white, the yellows, I use my Sata gun. But for the smaller areas, like the 33 and the fades in the flames, I used to have a small Sata minigun, but it let me down a while ago, and I decided to replace it with a Harbor Freight minigun. Way more affordable, and I think the fades came out really good. You can check that. I'm totally happy with those fades. Flames came out great. I can't wait to roll this out into the sun. It ain't gonna be kept out in the sun, but when it's out in the sun, the pearls and the metallics are gonna look great. Once the clear dries up solid, I am gonna pinstripe this, clean up the edges with some nice pinstriping, and then bolt the handle back on, put it in the service, and painting this cabinet is going to lead to another video of what this cabinet is replacing. So completely different type of video. It'll be neat. It'll be good. Let's roll this out into the sun and see what it looks like. Oh, I just noticed. Oh, my coated floors are all screwed up. I got overspray. Wait, I'm not the coated floor guy. My shop will never have coated floors because of this and other reasons. It's a working shop. I really don't see the point of the fancy coated floors for a working shop. Got that morning sun hitting it. Sunrise. Check out, look at that. Those pearls, the metallics, the gold pinstriping on the 33, blue on the flames. I am not a pinstriper. Not a pinstriper at all, but for my own stuff and a cabinet that's gonna get beat up, I'm pretty happy with it. Pretty happy with it. Yeah. Every time I grab something out of it, I'm gonna feel good about looking at it. Let me know what you guys think. And if you're a pinstriper, I'm open to pointers. Always gotta be learning. Every day's a school day. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll keep giving you weekly content. Thanks.